So a really quiet ride and just a little bit of bouncing. And of course, most of these Teslas ride pretty similarly. It's a comfortable ride, but it's a very bouncy ride. And a lot of that has to do with the EV platform. And pretty easy to drive in this slow stop and go traffic as well. Let's give it some throttle here. Still extremely quick. And we drove a Plaid a few weeks ago and it was wild. So I'm interested to see how much of a difference there is between the Plaid and then this long range. I'm going to give myself some space here because nobody's behind me. Everybody hold on tight. And here's my foot to the floor. So of course, very fast, very impressive. Definitely wasn't like the Plaid, which is good because when I drove a Model S Plaid back to back with a long range, I couldn't really tell the difference because the long range still felt really fast. And this Model X still feels very fast, but the Model X Plaid was just out of this world. So it's nice that you can differentiate between the two. If I were to choose between a Model S Plaid and then a regular Model S, I'd go with the regular Model S. But between a Model X Plaid and a regular Model X, I'd go with the Model X Plaid. And then this is, of course, the autopilot system working. I will say I do like driving this because it just drives so simple, if that makes sense. Just very easy to maneuver, especially with the yoke steering wheel. Now backing up is going to be a nuisance, but it's just really easy when you have both hands on the wheel to control this when you have this kind of fighter pilot steering wheel going. I mean, I feel like I have complete, utter control of this car. And what's crazy about these cars is the loudest thing in here is going to be the AC vents. And then when I give it full throttle, just the whirl that comes from the vehicle. But I mean, they're just so quiet. Just a really good overall driving experience and very calm in here. And of course the sound system is going to be great, because I think this one has the upgraded premium sound system that has the subwoofer and all that. And I had one of those in my Model 3, and just a really, really good overall sound.